Hello everybody, welcome again with another live forex analysis video. In this video we are going to discuss about GBPJPY, but before that, first of all we will discuss about our previous day analysis. So these analyses were did in yesterday's video. This was the demand area, this was the resistance, and this was another resistance level. So we didn't draw this demand area, but when we recorded our video and published our video, then I see that there was also a good demand area. If you can look here, that was a nice structure. So we didn't give this trade idea to all of you guys. We said that we will open a buy trade in this demand area, but after that I saw a demand area at this level. So basically when market come in this demand, I open a buy trade and my TP was almost here and SL below this demand area. But if we move on M30 time frame, look here, market comes down, open my order, and market was here almost. So this was the supply area. If you can look here, this was also a supply area on M30 time frame. And when this bearish candle closed in this supply area, then there was a high probability chance that market will come down again in this demand and then move up. But this didn't happen. But when this bearish candle closed, I closed my trade almost 154.70. So my entry was almost 154.44 and I closed my trade at 154.706. So this was almost 26 pip trade. That was nice trade, but after that market goes up to hit my SL, but I was out almost here. Okay, so now come to the point. Let's move these areas and discuss about our today's plan. First of all, we will move on H4 time frame and see what's going on here. Okay, fine. So market break this resistance level and market come in this range. We have another resistance here. Okay, so if we come on H1 time frame, so market is going up to hit this resistance level. We said that we can open a buy trade above this area, but here I didn't see any confirmation. So let's remove this arrow also and look, see. So in the left side there was not a clear move, there was total garbage. This is the resistance, this is the resistance, and this is the resistance. I think there is not enough range to open any trade. So basically if we move on H4 time frame, so yeah, perfect. This level, this level. So basically I'm looking for market come down in this support level. First of all, this was the range area, this was the support. Market break this support, come down up and make this support as an resistance, comes down and break this resistance. So I think market will come down to retest this area and then move up. So now we will move on H1 time frame. Yeah, perfect. This was the previous high, so high probability chance that market will come down to retest this level. And if we move on M30 time frame, so we have a demand area in, so I think this will be a demand area. Yeah, that will be nice. We have another demand area, so let's see which demand area will work. So basically we are looking for buy trade in 1, 2, and I think we should remove this area now. So basically we have 3 demands, 1, 2 and 3. So we are looking for buy trades in these demand areas. If we see any confirmation in this demand area, then we will open a buy trade. Otherwise we will looking for in this demand area, and if we find any confirmation, then we will open a buy trade. And if we didn't saw any confirmation in these two demand areas, then I will open a buy trade in this demand area. So let's see what will happen. So these are the trading ideas of GBPJPY for today. Please like this video, share this video with your friends and your Forex groups. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live updates from us. In this channel we upload daily live Forex analysis, and we also share our trading ideas of gold, GBPUSD and GBPJPY for intraday trading. And if you are looking for best Forex broker, then you can open your trading account on our recommended broker. The link of our recommended broker given in the description box. See you in next video. We live analysis. Take care. Bye bye.